All right, this is the front of Blackfire. I got it turned down. Wait for the kids to come by with their little riding things. So I think mine at 3/4 volume, it sounds very good. It may not be as bassy as Rob's, but this is still good. All right, we're gonna go back here. I can't find it. I gotta put it in the search. Okay, one more. All right, here we go. Am I recording? Yep, I'm recording now. All right. It'll go all the way up to 50. We're gonna go 40 right there. 42.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked because I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just so by my side. This one's for the grind, I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's how I get over. I'm foreign in this world, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted, but the door's been open. I knew I was different, I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken. Authentic like I'm 59, 50, and it's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real.
That's at 41. It goes up to 50, but I ain't turning it up that high.
They done baptized the bad guy.
We'll stop here at 100.
The cotton's Egyptian. 500 for the shoes come dirty, but the European. Less is more and less is the bank.
That's 100 feet right there.
From the tray, I'm balling like Trey. Do what I can, I do what you can. I wrote this 30,000 feet up, 10 toes.
Let's go.
Say the money still me up, stay humble, stay teed up. I don't tell you how to live, so don't let me with no beat stuff. And if you know the good, then you know the deal.
200, over 200 feet.
Let's have a toast for the real ones.
280 feet.